What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have a glass screen protector for the cover screen on the Galaxy Z Fold4. Now, as you know, you're going to put this in a case. You want to give this a little bit of protection. Some people use a film, some people use tempered glass. Now, this is the Easy Dome Glass from a company called WhiteStone Dome. And I want to thank WhiteStone Dome for sending this out, being part of this video, sponsoring this video, being part of Android Stud and the team here. Now, it's pretty easy, pretty basic instructions. I'm going to show you how to do it. The first thing that you want to do is you want to get your wet swab. I already got one out, but it does come in the pack there. And what you want to do is you want to, first of all, turn off your device. So we're going to go ahead and power it off. I gotta put the code so it knows it's me. And then once it starts powering down, we're gonna go ahead and wipe this down to get all the stuff, all the uglies off of here. And you wanna wipe it down real good. And then once you do that, you're gonna go ahead and take the microfiber cloth, wipe it down so it's not wet, do it real smooth, keep everything. This is a pretty new device, I just got it, so you guys got to watch my 35 minutes later with the Galaxy Z Fold4. The video's hot, man. That's a hell of a video. And then you're gonna take your dust absorber sticker here. You kind of want to just get all the little lint or dust or whatever it is. Take that off. This is very easy to install, so you don't have to be intimidated. This isn't like the typical. Now they give you a camera protector. We're gonna put that one on too. And they give you two. Yeah, so they give you two, and then you're simply gonna take this out. And then you're going to turn this to the side, and then you're simply just going to put this on, take this off here, and then kind of just put this on. You're going to match up the hole best you can, and then you're going to just basically let it just sit there. You're going to scoot it over some, make sure it is correct. Window, and then you simply just go like this, put a little cross there, and everything else should pretty much all your air bubbles should come out. And then you got your little glass screen protector for your device. Not the best. I wish they had like a guide, but you just have to match it up to the hole here, and then you're good to go. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on. Make sure that the everything is working. Wipe everything down. And this is good because it does protect your your cover screen from getting all scratched up or cracked, whatever it may be. That's the thing about owning a foldable. Everybody's paranoid about not having a case on it, but we're gonna test out a little case here just to see how it works. But you should have plenty of, and then once what's good about this one is it does give you room so that you can put a case on there. As you can see here, it's definitely the room that you need. That is perfect. I mean, it's not perfect. I wish it would cover a little more there, as you could see, but it's not bad. I mean, it's not terrible, but that's pretty good. And then we'll put our code, and then we're good. Phone's starting up. But yeah, I like it. Not bad. That's pretty much how you install it. It's a very easy install. So you won't have any problems doing your thing, you know what I mean? But yeah, that's it. And that's with the case. So, but we're gonna take the case off real quick because we are going to put on the little camera deal here. Remember that? And you're simply gonna wipe down your camera with the thing with the alcohol wipe, then wipe down your thing with the thing, and then do your thing again. And then you're gonna grab this, your camera thing here, and it has a little sticker on the back. You kind of just peel that off of the back. Notifications on deck. And then that bottom piece, you put the bottom piece first. And it just kind of protects it a little bit. It doesn't, it's not gonna, the good thing about this one is it's not gonna mess up your pictures because it's not gonna cover the lenses. This is just to protect the outside of the lenses, but it does give a little bit of protection and it matches pretty good with the black. So, but that's gonna do it, man. That's how you install the dome glass or easy glass from WhiteStone Dome. Very easy. So hit that like button and subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment down below, let me know what you think. And yeah, this is pretty sweet, pretty easy. Yeah, now my screen's protected. Now I can hit the gym. All right, I'll see you guys later. Peace.